Stride into fitness right from the comfort of your home with the best treadmills designed for walking enthusiasts. Whether you're gearing up for a marathon or just aiming to boost your endurance, the right treadmill can be your steadfast companion on the journey to achieving your fitness milestones. The OMA Home treadmills emerge as a top contender, boasting a 2.25 chp motor and a user-friendly LED display. With a noise level under 60 decibels, it's whisper quiet, ensuring your workouts don't disturb the peace. The foldable design and transport wheels add convenience, while the 6-layer cushioned belt offers a spacious 16.5 inches for a comfortable stride. Nordic Track's T6.5S treadmill is another excellent choice, especially for beginners. With 20 built-in programs and iFit compatibility, it offers a variety of workouts. The cushioning in the deck can be toggled on or off, adapting to your comfort needs. However, it's not designed for intense training, making it ideal for moderate exercise. For those with limited space, the Maxcar folding electric treadmill is a perfect match. It features a 17-inch wide belt and a robust 2.5 HP motor. 15 preset programs cater to different fitness goals, and the large LCD keeps track of all vital stats. Its fold-up design is a space saver, and the treadmill supports users up to 220 pounds. The Marnure electric folding treadmill stands out with its manual incline settings and a wide 17x 43 inches running belt. It's built to last with a heavy-duty frame and a 2.5 horsepower motor that can reach speeds up to 8.5 mph. The 3 adjustable slope angles add variety to your workouts, simulating different terrains. Ancheer's folding treadmill offers a blend of technology and comfort. With a 225 HP motor, speeds up to 7.5 mph, and 12 workout programs, it's a solid choice for most users. The FitShow app integration and built-in speakers with USB access enhance your workout experience, though it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity. Lastly, the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT4400 treadmill is an affordable option with 9 preset workout programs and a BMI calculator. Its compact size and foldability make it suitable for smaller spaces, but its 220-pound weight capacity and short warranty might be limiting for some users. Choose the treadmill that aligns with your fitness goals and space requirements, and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle without stepping out the door.